Paul, thank you for joining us at the One-to-One Oil and Gas in London today. Give me a quick introduction to Touchstone.
So Touchstone is a company that trades on AIM, as well as the Toronto Stock Exchange, based out of Trinidad. That's our main operations, doing about 1,500 barrels a day and cash flow positive at this point.
So obviously doing 1,500 barrels a day. Tell us a little bit more about the asset and the potential that you see there.
So we identified Trinidad because it's 11 kilometers off the coast of Venezuela, one of the largest reserves in the world, that had been underexploited. So we put together a big land position now. We've got 22 blocks, 11 of those are producing onshore, and we've started to develop that through various drilling technologies and production technologies, and that's really what we want to start ramping up over the next couple of years. Certainly with oil prices where they have started to move, gives us a lot more confidence that that's going to be a real worthwhile venture for us.
And what's the purpose of being at One-to-One today?
Really what it is for us is we only listed on AIM back in June of 26, so there's still an awareness going on, understanding about the company. So the real benefit for us here today is we can have one-on-one meetings with accredited investors that are looking at our sector, and hopefully it'll give us an opportunity twofold. They can go in the market and support the stock now, but as we go down the road, if we're looking at accelerating our program or looking at acquisitions, it gives us a foundation to access the capital markets.
And with regards to investors, potential shareholders, what's the key message to those at the moment?
I think the key message for us is that we're cash flow positive. We've got the land position. We've got a plan for the next 5 years. This is a very predictable business in this sector. So not a lot of exploration. I'm not sure there's still a real big appetite for that. And so that's where we see the opportunity.
Well, Paul, thanks for your time today.
Thanks again.